Hi, I'm Eric Steining, President of Experience Technology, and we're based out of Bloomington, Indiana. And I'm here to talk a little bit about the Tivoli Theatre project that we were so fortunate to become a part of over the past couple of years. Originally we were brought in as a consultant, being a residential contractor for home theater systems and automation systems here in our area. And so some of our networking allowed us to get to a point with people involved in this project that they thought it'd be good to have a local perspective with somebody that's somewhat familiar with automation, home theater, theater in general. That led to questions about the system here at the Tivoli, where the primary focus of the Tivoli Theatre was to really bring it back as a incredible movie theater for the community here in Spencer, Indiana. But we still wanted to maintain the capabilities of stage productions and things along those lines. We had looked towards the idea of we wanted to have as fabulous of a system as we possibly could from a movie standpoint. First and foremost, the facility is slated here to be a cinema. So as it came, we wanted to have, we didn't want to do a motorized roller screen. We needed to have the capability to move the screen itself to get it out of the way when we were looking to have stage productions and live performances. So the question started coming up at the design table about how we're going to get this accomplished. Who can do something like this? And that's when I had had the opportunity in working with Stewart Filmscreen in the past on a residential standpoint, that I always knew that they'd talked about their capabilities as a manufacturer on the commercial side of things to really take one-off projects and deliver the best goods possible in our industry. First and foremost, we're not going to change the structure of the Tivoli. The structure was going to stay the same. And so, being that the Tivoli originally had opened I think it was December 31st of 1928. So we're dealing in a time where widescreen and cinema screens weren't the same aspects as they are now for us. So we took the space that we had given and put that to the engineers at Stewart and said we really want to maximize our overall screen image size. We wanted it to be fixed, and yet we still need this whole thing to move out of the way. So in moving out of the way, I mean this is going to be a fixed, permanently tensioned screen, four-way masking system that is going to fly. We worked in conjunction with some excellent folks with Beck Studios, the rigging company that we worked with, and designed the system along with the team at Stewart so that at the touch of the button we're able to lift this 14-foot tall screen 13 feet off the ground to make room for performances. So with a lot of care and detail that went into the overall design, Stewart delivered us a product just exactly as specified that's works wonderfully, looks beautiful, and really complements the overall attributes of the Tivoli Theatre. We wanted to have the best image possible delivered from the Christie projector to the Stewart screen, and as we looked at the thickness of the wall, there was a particular little curvature to the actually where the projector port would go, and again that's where there were a lot of questions coming from the architect and the contractor that was putting this together. Finding out that Stewart Filmscreen provides projector ports, again, Stewart came to the table as the solution for that question that was on the table. They'll design anything that we needed to accommodate the thickness of the wall, the height and width of the projector port, the distance of the lens of the Christie to the projector port itself, and so the projector port was something that was really special. That we've just never worked with something along those lines. Not to mention the quality level. Again, Stewart came to the table as the solution.